This song is about a casserole I made one time. Casserole, it's tater tot casserole. Yes, stick it in your mouth, put it in your hole. It's tater tot casserole. Tater tot casserole. It's tater tot casserole. Yes, stick it in your mouth, and what you got is tater tot casserole. Alright, if you've never had tater tot casserole before, this is how it goes. You get the tater tots, stick them in the casserole dish. You get the cream mushroom soup, the sour cream, the cheese. Just stick it all in there. 325 degrees, about 40 minutes, and then you're gonna pull it out. You'll sprinkle the French fried onions on top, stick it back in there, and get it nice, crispy, and delicious. Tater tot casserole. It's tater tot casserole. Just stick it in your mouth, put it in your hole. It's tater tot casserole. Tater tot casserole. It's tater tot casserole. Just stick it in your mouth, and what do you got? It's tater tot casserole. All right, let's try something. When I yell tater tot,
casserole!
Oh. Looks like I'm getting a call.
It's on speaker. Is it Joe?
Hello?
Is it Joe?
Happy birthday!
Oh, thank you, Meg!
Hey, do you want some tater tots? I don't have tater tots, got some fries though.
Yeah, fry some.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, I appreciate it. So when I yell tater tot, just yell casserole. Tater tot! Casserole! 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 Tater tot! Tater tot casserole. It's tater tot casserole. Just stick it in your mouth, put it in your hole. It's casserole. Tater tot casserole. It's tater tot casserole. Just stick it in your mouth, put it in your hole.